Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Discord on your Windows computer. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump into it. So we're going to begin by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but I'm going to open up Google Chrome for this tutorial. And once you have your web browser open, you want to navigate over to google.com. And now into Google you want to type in Discord, download. You want to hit enter. The best manager should be from discordapp.com. Want to left click on that. Left click on the download now button on their webpage. About 57 megabytes for the file size. Once it's done downloading, I'm just going to left click on it one time to open it up. Left click on run for the file security warning. Okay, so once it's done, just going to close out here. Just would insert your email and password, and if you're looking to create an account, just would left click on this register button, and that's about it. So I do have this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.